welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Turmeric, an age-old remedy or a timeless medicine. Once upon a time, a wise man said he has got 99 problems but solved like 86 of them. India has the lowest dementia rates in the world because something that we consume on a daily basis prevents us from it. It is known as the key to ultimate healing. Yellow in color, your grandma probably mixes it with oil. Yes, no rewards for right guesses. We are talking about the wondered ingredient found in our kitchen slab, turmeric. Let's talk about the health benefits of this miracle herb in our video today. A study was published by Oxford Academic that asserted how it could break through chemoresistance and aid in the treatment of pancreatic cancer. Another study talked about how it can curb the onset of diabetes given its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Has anti-inflammatory properties. As per various studies, curcumin, a powerful compound in it, can lessen inflammation in the body. One way of boosting its intake is by adding it to your dishes while cooking, which you might be doing already. You can drink turmeric tea as well. Just boil 4 cups of water and add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. You can also add lemon or honey to taste. Treatment of depression. Curcumin in it can also benefit in the treatment of depression. Tardive dyskinesia, impairment of voluntary movement, and diabetic neuropathy. In other animal studies, curcumin had also exhibited positive impacts on chronic stress. Antioxidant properties. It is known to scavenge free radicals, inhibit peroxidation, and curtail iron complex, all of which is an immediate outcome of its antioxidant properties. And not just ground turmeric, but even its oil has antioxidant properties. Prevents cancer. Curcumin has exhibited anti-cancer properties. The curcumin in turmeric can hinder cancer growth and even make chemotherapy more productive. It also preserves the healthy cells from damage from radiation. Curcumin has tremendous potency, speaking from the viewpoint of curing cancer. One metabolite in curcumin, which could be obtainable in very low amounts in the blood post its ingestion, could still have considerable anti-metastatic impacts. Curcumin is also believed to prevent cancer of the prostate. Turmeric prevents heart diseases. The antioxidant properties of turmeric deliver cardiac protection, especially in the case of diabetes. Curcumin in it also helps lessen the serum cholesterol levels, thereby contributing to heart health. Turmeric improves immunity. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help improve immunity to a great extent. Curcumin stops the recruitment of specific immune cells which, when overactive, can lead to ailments like heart disease and obesity. Works as a natural painkiller. It helps alleviate inflammation. Turmeric can also act as a natural painkiller. This is particularly valid for arthritis pains. It also enhances circulation, which can help remove the pain. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric with water to make a paste and apply this to the affected region. Turmeric aids in acne treatment. The antibacterial properties of turmeric help in acne treatment, and its anti-inflammatory properties treat the inflammation induced by pimples. It is used for oily skin as a face wash or a face pack. You can also use turmeric milk for this purpose, as turmeric and milk together have great healing properties that help in treating acne. Aids weight loss and metabolism. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric deal with this right at the beginning. This helps curb cholesterol and high blood sugar, which also contribute to obesity. When your body is not actively fighting too much inflammation, it is easier to concentrate on weight loss. Turmeric helps treat dandruff. A mixture of turmeric and olive oil can eliminate dandruff and improve scalp health. Just mix equal parts of both and leave it on your hair for 20 minutes before shampooing. Liver cleansing. Turmeric helps detoxify the liver, which is the fundamental organ for burning fat. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, curcumin stimulates the production of bile by the gallbladder. The liver uses bile to remove toxins, replenish the liver cells, and break down harmful compounds. Keeping the liver healthy will make your weight loss much easier. Turmeric for digestive health. Turmeric enhances digestion. Boosting digestion can lead to a better breakdown of nutrients and quicker metabolism. Studies have shown that poor digestion can lead to needless weight gain. This is a result of your digestive system not being able to process food as it should. Toxic buildup intensifies, and the body's capacity to absorb minerals, nutrients, and vitamins begin to drop. Poor digestion affects the body's metabolism and reduces the rate of calorie burning, leading to surplus fat in the body. Turmeric prevents infection. The amount of proteins called cathelicidin antimicrobial peptide or CAMP increases due to the element called curcumin found in turmeric. CAMP protein enhances the immunity of the body. This protein helps the body in fighting bacteria and viruses. Beneficial in dental diseases. Use turmeric to strengthen the teeth and gums. Take a little turmeric, add salt and mustard oil to this. Now massage your teeth and gums with this mixture. This remedy eliminates inflammation and also tooth worms. Cough relief. You can use turmeric lumps during cough. If cough starts coming out immediately, put a small lump of it in your mouth and it should help. Drinking quarter spoon turmeric mixed in a glass of hot milk is very beneficial. Removes sunburn. It acts as a sunscreen lotion. If your skin is getting tanned due to sunlight, then get almond paste, turmeric and curd to shed the tan. Apply it on the skin and then wash it with water. You might feel skin irritation, but you will get a tan-free skin post this. Adding a brownie point, it is said that this golden spice is really good for Alzheimer's. But wait, what if he or she forgets this tip itself? Well, we have got your back, as we are coming up with loads of useful content you can binge on this quarantine. Along with Netflix, of course. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel for more health related content so you don't miss out on anything. It is called FOMO. Google it, come on.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.